So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a natural herbal powder using Soursop leaf. So to make this Soursop leaf powder, you will need fresh and healthy Soursop leaves. Avoid the yellow or damaged Soursop leaf. Then I'm going to wash the leaf properly with clean water to remove any dirty or dust. Then pan dry or allow to drain before you spread out the leaf on a tray to dry. You can spread out this to dry in a well-ventilated area for some days. And so please make sure that the leaf is dried properly. So when you notice that the leaves have dried properly, add into your blender and blend into a fine powder. So when I'm done blending the Soursop leaf, you can sieve to get the fine powder, or you can skip this method. Soursop leaf powder has a lot of health benefits. Soursop leaf has a lot of health benefits. It contains plant compounds and antioxidants. It can be used to make your relaxing or calming tea. You can also use it to make your herbal tea that will help to aid digestion. So Soursop leaf powder can be used in beauty remedy to make your hair mask, hair oil, even your hair conditioner. There are so many amazing benefits of this Soursop leaf.